Hi guys, today I am going to be doing my stuffed animal collection, and these are just going to be of my dailies, my stuffed animals. So I'm just going to put you on my tripod actually.
Let's get her dressed.
Okay, so if you hear speaking, my sister's doing a video, so just ignore that. But tonight, I'm going to be doing a stuffed animal collection. And me and my sister share our Build a Bears, so I will do a Build a Bear collection after. But yeah, okay, so sorry about that, but let's get on with it. So I'll start with my ones I sleep with. So I have 3 I sleep with. So first one I got that I sleep with is Alfie. He is a Shining Star Teddy, and I'll be doing parts. And he has my donut keyring on him that I got for my birthday. And the next one I got this unicorn for my birthday, and I love her so much. And she is my favorite teddy. Same with the ones I sleep with are my favorite stuffed animals. So
to eat.
This is Alfie, and then this is Sparkle. And then we have Snowball.
Here I have my kitchen.
And Snowball is a cat. And she was in my I Make Cat Videos for a Living music video. So go check that out and you'll see a little kitty Snowball. And I love her. I got her for £7. So yeah, that's my teddies I sleep with.
She's got a carton of juice and grapes
And I'm not going to do them in order anymore. So yeah.
really green. Oh, my dad is.
Okay.
Next
One is another unicorn.
your snack.
So this is Magic. She's a clothes pet. You can see by her paws and her heart. Comment down below if you have a cloud pet. And I have the unicorn. And I love her so much. And I sleep with her sometimes. You can see the little Cloud Pets logo.
What, you gonna eat that?
Yeah, and I love unicorns. She's
I'm gonna get something.
And there's this too, but that's not my babies. Like my baby dolls. Yeah, that's Magic.
Leave her to eat that.
And then
Next in a while, and I'm gonna see.
is my big dog Tucker.
Eat it all.
That's good. I love him so much. I got him from my. Did I get him for my birthday or Christmas?
Christmas.
Yeah, I got him for my
Yeah,
Christmas.
go brush your teeth.
He's a really big dog. Look at the size of him compared to me. I love him so much. I slept with him on Monday night. So my sister just left. This is Tucker. Tucker is so sweet, and I just love him. I don't know what sort of brand he is, but I definitely recommend, if I knew what brand he was, buying him, but I don't. So, I'll bring it out to you. So, this is Fudge. She's technically my daddy, but me and my sister sort of share her. I don't know, but I just wanted to show her. She's Fudge, and I love her so much. Then we have, this is Lion. This used to be my mom's teddy. Now I have her. And her eye came out, like, you can see it's like really bowled out. And the other one is sort of in. So this one fell out, but my stepdad glued it onto her again, and I was so happy. And I was like crying. So, yeah. That's them too. Then I got this one when I was at McDonald's. For £2 I spent my pocket money on it because it was for cancer. And for like a children's charity. So, yeah, that's her. Him or whatever. This is Ellie, yeah. She has a scarf on. And I love her. She's so cute. This is my chance to kiss all my daddies that I don't normally spend time with.
Nice pink one.
So I hope that wraps it up for part 1. But make sure to go. I will do the part 2 right now after I upload this video. So yeah, bye guys.